do a little bit of lows here for you. A little bit of 28 hertz. Pretty fucking rowdy right now. It's cold.
Half a mile strong, I was young. You see, I'm
Woo! Little chance of wind. You can tell it's windy when it's blowing up short hair. Blowing my fucking door apart even more. That piece of stripping right there, it ain't wanting to hold on much longer. I'm gonna lose that bitch riding down the street. Alright. Whatever other songs I find and I think hit hard, I'll post them too. Thanks for watching.